And good evening. Thank you so much for joining us for News 4 at 6. Some are calling for complete reform of the government's loan modification program after an internal audit showed one of the big banks involved might have been breaking the law and frequently miscalculating homeowner income. News 4's Ben Briscoe has a look at those recently revealed records. It's all new at 6.
Whoa! The Making Home Affordable program got millions in federal funds to aid struggling families like the Holmes. But they were turned down because of improper documentation.
We were not helped in the slightest bit.
The latest count shows only about 700,000 applicants have actually been approved for loan modifications. That's compared to the 4 million people the program originally estimated it could help. This internal audit just released to ProPublica might explain why there's such a difference. Out of the 25 loan files reviewed, auditors thought the bank miscalculated homeowners' income over 80% of the time. The audit also found points when interest rates weren't reduced enough, and there were possible overpayments from homeowners.
I'd like to call to order the first...
While that document was just made public, high-ranking U.S. Treasury worker John Walsh testified to the Senate about it back in February.
Found critical deficiencies and shortcomings that resulted in violations of state and local foreclosure laws, regulations, or rules.
These audits also have some analysts saying there hasn't been enough government oversight. The first review didn't come until the program had already been around for a year.
At that time, there really was nobody effectively looking over the bank's shoulders to make sure they're doing the right thing.
The Treasury Department says these audits are prompting changes.
We are drawing on lessons from these examinations to develop mortgage servicing standards for the entire industry.
And while we don't know for sure if the loan review for the Holmes was done by the book, it's a fact they had to spend every bit of their savings to stay in their house after being turned down by the program. Ben Briscoe, News 4.